notice, I just throw the seeds of pumpkin seeds. Look at that. I think I might have thrown them away too close because there's so many of them there. Oh my goodness. I think I have to separate them. Hi everyone, welcome to Mary's Life in Australia. It's a beautiful day today. Look at that. Huh? Our calamansi tree is so healthy and fruiting. Look at that. Ang dami niya ng bunga, oh. Nakakatuwa talaga. Every year it's fruiting. Every year it's flowering. In one branch, look at that. Alright? My God, thank you, my calamansi tree. For those who doesn't understand or doesn't know what is calamansi, calamansi is our Philippines lime or lemon version. This is very good in cooking, marinating. You try and Google it, calamansi. As mentioned before, I bought a pumpkin and then they all dry the seeds, and I threw them on the garden, and let's see what's happened. The rest of the garden is empty. Walang laman yan at the moment because all my beans and snow peas and tomato, they all die off. So now let's check my pumpkin seeds. Here you go, guys. Like I said, I got a handful of calamansi or pumpkin seeds. I get them dried and then I threw it in the garden, and look what happened. Look at this, guys. Huh? My mistake is I threw them so close to each other. Now look, nagsisikipan sila, especially here. Look how much they grown. I don't know why, you know. I planted them the same day, sabay-sabay, but this one has grown faster, although I planted them all the same day. I don't know why. Yeah. So here we go. So today I put a cloth there to protect it, but I will actually build a net on top. So look at it, guys. Tignan nyo, ang cute, so cute. But like I said, tignan nyo how close I planted it. No good. It's so close, so I have to separate them. Hopefully they don't die. So here we go. Ang healthy talaga, very healthy. Tignan nyo, amazing. I just grab a handful of pumpkin seed, throw it, and look what happened. Welcome uli sa Mary's Life in Australia. So look at this, guys. Ise-separate natin yung mga kalabasa kasi masyado silang siksikan. I just hope hindi sila mamatay kapag hinukay ko. Talagang nag-worry ako. Kasi nakaano na siya, oh. Pero kailangan talagang ibukod dahil otherwise dikit-dikit. So yun, guys, nakapaglipat na tayo ng dalawa kahit huli hindi sila mamatay. Sayang naman pag namatay. Kasi nga dikit-dikit eh. Look at that. Tsaka healthy itong lupa na to, itong side na to. The rest is a bit dry. Ang dami kasi dikit-dikit. Please don't die. Okay. Baka mamatay pa to eh kasi tinransfer natin. Alam niyo, magandang klaseng kalabasa to. Ito yung malalaking kalabasa. Very healthy itong lupa na to kasi dyan nilalagay yung mga manyo ng ibon. Yan. Huwag sanang mamatay. Alam niyo naman, kapag ang plants dinalaw, kuminsan they don't like it, namamatay sila. So tingnan nyo to, dikit-dikit din. Kasi I just throw the seed. Tinapon ko lang kasi yung seed dyan eh. So ito, pag dito ito binusod, pero maliit pa, baka mamatay pa yan. Ayan o. Siguro hayaan ko na muna yan. Pag malaki-laki na, saka natin ita-transfer. So guys, ayan. Na-transfer ko na yung seedlings. But it's a bit bigger compared to those one. So if I transfer those, baka mamatay yun. Kasi maliliit pa yung seedlings niya. Hindi katulad nito, malalaki na. But kasi inilipat ko, ang baka mangyari ngayon yan, mamatay yun. At saka ito, yun, sayang naman. Pero mamatay man yun, ang dami pa rin itong naiwan dito. Tingnan nyo. Sabi ko nga, yung mga seedlings niyan, yung mga prutas niyan, yung pumpkin niyan, malalaki siyang klase. I'm not sure kung ano tawag doon, pero malalaki siyang klase. Ayan. So hopefully tumubo. Ito yung binili ng asawa ko na garden shade. So ilalagay ko to para maprotektahan yung ano, yung mga kalabasa. So sa bagay, February na ngayon, tapos na ang winter, ay tapos na ang summer, pa winter slowly. So ilalagay ko pa rin to. Pala siya guys, tingnan nyo. Ang laki niya. Mako-cover niya yung pinaka size ng ano talaga. It will cover up the whole garden. Yan, tingnan nyo. Okay, yeah. May shade na kaagad, okay ito niya. Because Australia's weather is really hot. Kailangan talaga protected. Getting there guys. Guys, back ulit, Maris Life in Australia. I think I've done it the best of my ability. Hindi naman siya perfect na perfect, but at least it's enough na makapag-provide ng shade sa pumpkin. There you go. Kasi they're all still quite young seedlings. So hopefully itong paglalagay natin ng shed na to ay makatulong. I'm not a gardener, so hindi ako expert sa paggawa ng mga ganitong bagay, pero at least kita nyo naman, oh, maayos. Tipang tubig, more of water, kasi medyo dry yung sun. In Australia, hindi yan katulad sa Pilipinas maganda lupa. Sa Australia, very sandy. Tapos meron ako ditong ano, Singapore guava. Makikita nyo, ayan, oh, nag-uumpisa na siyang mahinog, oh. Ang dami din bunga niyan, kaya lang the weather talaga dito sa Australia, dinadry yung mga fruits. Digo, ayun yung mulberry natin. Very young pa yan eh, still young, so it's not quite fruiting. Ang healthy talaga, very healthy. Tignan nyo. Amazing. I just grab a handful of pumpkin seed, throw it, and look what happened. Let's check my pumpkin seed. This is just about 3 weeks and it's really growing really good. I potted some as well.
summertime when the weather is hot. You can stretch right up, you can touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got
Thank you for watching Maris Life.